Hey guys, Born to Drive here. Just got some new tires that were dropped off by FedEx directly from Michelin that I want to do a first look at today with you guys. These are the Michelin e.Primacy AS tires that were released early last year in like February or March of 2025. They finally came in a size that will work for me to test on this 2022 Subaru Outback. Normally this uses a 225 60 R18 tire with a 100 load rating, H speed rating. Well, this one has a V speed rating, so a little bit higher, 103 for its load rating, which will be just fine for the Outback. It's actually a little bit more than needed, and these are 235 60 R18, so just like half a centimeter wider in terms of the tread width, and the rolling circumference will be almost the same. Maybe the speedometer will underestimate by half a mile per hour. But overall, just wanted to share this with you guys that I just got these tires. They look pretty good. These are Michelin's latest tires in terms of tread design, efficiency, and also all-season capability. They're supposed to be about 25% more efficient than the leading competitors that are out there from major tire manufacturers like Hankook and Bridgestone. So there's some stats that I will be sharing with you guys as we get into the review of these tires and as I take a look at them a little bit more closely and install them on the Outback. I just want to do this quick review to show you guys kind of what they look like with looks like an asymmetric or symmetric tread design. So very traditional tread design, pretty good siping as well. So these could be potentially okay in the winter, especially if you want to just have one tire on year round. But these have I think a 40 to 45,000 mile tread life warranty on them. So they should last a decent amount of time. Nominal tread depth when they're new is like 8.5 to 9/32 of an inch of tread depth, which is a little bit less than the 10.5 that you normally get on a more traditional all-season tire, but that's also for efficiency and very common for OEM tires for hybrids and electric vehicles straight from the factory. So just something to keep in mind there. These are definitely efficiency focused, and that'll be the focus of my review and general ride handling and quietness. So I'll be sure to give you guys some more impressions on that. I am gonna go do a fuel economy run, about 50 miles on the existing tires that are on my car right now. These are the Michelin Excise snow tires in 225 60 R18 size. They are directional tread design. I've had these for 3 winters now. The tread is down to about 7 to 7.5/32 of an inch of tread remaining on these. So put about 20,000 miles on them, about maybe half, maybe 40% worn. So still got another probably 2 winters to go out of these. The difference here is that these are actually relatively low rolling resistance for winter tires, these Michelin Excise snow tires. The thing is though, is that they are still much heavier per tire because of the extra tread and the extra durability that comes with this type of rubber for the winter months compared to the efficiency oriented lighter weight tire that we have here with the e.Primacy AS. So, and plus these are still going to be lower rolling resistance than the Michelin Excise snow tires, just based inherently on the design and the focus and mission of the tires themselves. So I'm going to go do a quick fuel economy run with this Outback on a full tank and see exactly what kind of miles per gallon I get with these 40% worn Michelin Excise snow tires that are pretty heavy, but do still work just fine when temperatures are about 45 degrees outside. That's about the limit when you want to start thinking about putting on all seasons or summer tires. That's exactly the temperature it is out here today. It's about 45 degrees and sunny, light breeze. I'm gonna go one way on the highway and back on the other and test out the fuel economy. And then in about a week, I'm gonna compare those to these e.Primacy AS tires in terms of efficiency and do the calculations, see how much better fuel economy I get. Again, these are, focused towards EVs and hybrids and plug-in hybrids and those types of vehicles, but these will also work with traditional gas-powered cars like the Outback that I'll be testing. So these are really focused on getting you the best efficiency possible. So hope you guys enjoy the content to come, and I'll be sure to share my findings with you guys over the next several weeks as I put more miles on here and do some fuel economy tests.